Covert Law Enforcement DPM Pole Camera with the IR flood light system. In this video, we'll open the package and walk you through everything that comes inside. Inside the box, you'll find an accessory bag containing power cables, keys, mounting straps, lag bolts, and the optional IR lens package. Be sure to keep all original packaging in case you need to return the unit or send it in for repairs. This ensures safe and secure transport. Before ripping off the protective film, review the label to make sure it is the correct system. Carefully remove the blue protective wrap and continue unboxing. In the accessory kit you will find a set of key fobs, power cables, utility pole mounting straps, lag bolts, and a power cable tap. If you had the optional IR flood light, this kit will include the IR lens packet. Open the set of keys from the package to unlock the camera enclosure to adjust it from the packaging. As we open up the key fob package, we will be showing how to unlock and open this enclosure. Use the keys to unlock the enclosure. Now push back the cover and lift up to open this case. From shipping there will be bubble wrap placed inside and other materials. Remove them, then cover the lid back up for covert deployment or keep it open for an overt view. To open the enclosure, insert the key into the port at the top and lift the lid gently. Inside you will find a bag containing power fuses, an Allen key, and an optional IR flood light diffuser tool. To close the enclosure, lower the lid down and apply slight top pressure while turning the key to lock it into place. To power the DPM pole camera, unwrap the power cords and connect them directly to a power source or extension cord, depending on your setup. The type of cord used will vary based on your configuration: 2-pin, DC connection, 3-pin, AC connection, 4-pin and 5-pin. Designed for use with a Cinlinco solar battery pack. Once properly connected, a green indicator light will illuminate, confirming that the system is receiving power. For a key fob reset on the DPM pole camera system, pull out the antenna on the remote, press and hold the button for 3 seconds or until the light comes on. Wait 30 seconds, and repeat the steps of pressing and holding again for 30 seconds or until the lights turn off to work correctly. For the optional IR flood light setup, your kit will include the diffuser cover removal tool. This tool has 2 sides. In this unboxing, the thicker side was used to remove the panel. Use the Allen key to adjust and rotate the IR flood light screen. With tightening and loosening the screws, this screen rotates left to right. For the IR flood light setup, use the diffuser cover removal tool for any modifications to the lens screen. The diffuser tool has 2 different sizes that can be used to remove the panel. Once the cover is off, refer to the included diffuser angle guide to determine the best angle for the lighting needs. Align the diffuser accordingly and snap the cover back into place. Next, use the Allen key to carefully remove the water-resistant caps. Beneath these caps, you'll find 2 internal adjustment screws. Use a flathead screwdriver to fine-tune the light's angle and settings. Screw near the yellow triangle controls the power level. Screw on the far end adjusts the photocell sensitivity. This determines when the light activates in low light conditions, such as at dusk, without requiring full darkness. For further questions and support, give us a call.